Thank you, Chairman. Good afternoon. Esteemed shareholders, Reliance Retail today is a national movement, a mission to benefit both consumers and producers, accelerate the economy, ignite aspirations, and enhance the quality of life of all Indians. Our performance this year reflects not only scale, but the underlying strength and resilience of our business model. Gross revenues grew 8% to 3,30,943 crores. EBITDA rose 8.6% to 25,094 crores. These are not just financial milestones. They're proof that ambition, discipline, innovation, and execution can work hand in hand to create long-term, sustainable value. Looking ahead, we are confident of delivering 20% plus CAGR in retail revenues over the next 3 years. This is not an aspirational slogan. It is a prediction grounded in the scale of our capabilities and the depth of opportunity ahead of us, something that no other retailer in India possesses. It is anchored in the fact that our every engine of our growth, offline, online, and B2B, is already proven, profitable at scale, and primed for acceleration. Each one of our large consumption baskets, grocery, fashion and lifestyle, and consumer electronics, has structural growth tailwinds. This year, we added 2,659 new stores, taking our total to 19,340 stores, covering 77 million square feet in over 7,000 towns. Stores remain the backbone of our retail revenues, contributing around 70% and will continue to grow through high single-digit like-for-like gains, plus steady expansion of 2,000 to 3,000 new stores annually. In many locations, we have been the first modern trade retailer to enter, securing a first-mover advantage and locking in consumer loyalty. When a Reliance retail store opens in a small town, it creates immense excitement and pride, as people feel they have entered India's urban mainstream. Our unmatched digital strength is another accelerator of our retail business. Our online channels currently contribute a high single-digit share of retail revenues, but will grow to over 20% within 3 years. We also lead in hyperlocal quick commerce using our incomparable store network, strategically located dark stores, and deep consumer data to offer faster, more reliable deliveries than any competitor. Our registered customer base has grown to 349 million, up 15% year-on-year. We processed around 1.4 billion transactions in the year, nearly matching the population of India, a scale that only reinforces our ability to grow profitably. Besides these inherent strengths, our confidence in achieving 20% plus CAGR is grounded in 8 growth enablers, each with measurable proof of performance. First, we know the Indian consumer better than anyone. Our unmatched insights are drawn from scientific data mining, from billions of real transactions across every state, every income segment, and every lifestyle pattern. This is why formats like Fresh Signature in Tier 2 cities and the introduction of exotic fruits into mainstream grocery have taken off so quickly. Second, our product development engine is creating powerful own brands such as Independence in grocery, Avasa in fashion, and Kelvinator in electronics. These brands deliver global quality at Indian prices. They not only expand our margins, but also deepen consumer loyalty. Third, our superior sourcing ecosystem is a strategic advantage. From farm to fork in grocery to a 30-day mine-to-shelf cycle in fashion, we can move products from concept to consumer faster than our competitors, while enriching farmers, artisans, tribal communities, designers, small suppliers, and logistics partners. It gives me special happiness to mention that we are sourcing more products from women-led enterprises. Fourth, our omnichannel architecture integrates the best of digital and physical retail, maximizing consumer delight. Whether through smart carts, self-checkout, AI kiosks in stores, or the endless aisle of JioMart online, we offer convenience, choice, and consistency to customers across every touchpoint. Fifth, our unsurpassed market reach of nearly 20,000 stores is supported by India's largest tech-enabled supply chain, which enables 10-minute quick commerce in metros and scheduled deliveries in remote villages alike. This reach is a moat that is hard to replicate at scale. Sixth, we empower India's 42 lakh merchants, kiranas, traders, and HoReCa businesses through our B2B formats Metro and JioMart Digital, giving them access to products, technology, and financing. Kiranas have always been the backbone of India's local economy, and an integral part of our neighborhood communities. We ensure that kiranas and other merchants grow first so that we grow along with them. Hence, ours is a growth model of partnership and shared prosperity. Seventh, our tech-led capabilities, from AI-driven demand forecasting to robotics-enabled warehouses. This allows us to scale with precision and efficiency, ensuring profitability even in aggressive growth phases. Eighth, our people. 2.5 lakh strong, our people are the soul of Reliance Retail. They're trained, empowered, motivated, and mandated to deliver. Last year, we invested over 45,000 man-hours in their skill development across new competencies like AI, ensuring our talent stays ahead of market trends. For the fourth consecutive year, we have been certified as a great place to work, a recognition of the high-trust, high-performance culture that fuels our execution. All these strengths translate directly into guaranteed and growing profitability across our segments. Dear friends, another factor that puts our retail business on a growth runway is that we are operating in categories where growth is continuous and non-cyclical. In grocery, we sold 18 crore liters of milk, 14 crore liters of cold beverages, 11 lakh metric tons of staples, and 3.8 lakh metric tons of fruits and vegetables last year. The category will grow through large format expansion, hyperlocal quick commerce, and subscription services. In fashion and lifestyle, Ajio has grown 7 times in the last 5 years. New formats like Yousta and Azort are capturing younger audiences. And our Shein partnership brings global fashion to India at affordable prices. Tira is not just redefining beauty in India, it is inspiring confidence, creativity, and self-expression for an entire generation. Swadesh connects thousands of artisans to mainstream retail, turning heritage into an opportunity. In consumer electronics, we grew 3 times faster than the market. Our rescue after-sales service now operates in over 300 cities. Acquiring the Kelvinator IP strengthens our consumer durables range. And JioMart continues to expand across quick commerce, scheduled delivery, and subscriptions, while JioMart Digital helps small retailers match the service levels of modern trade. Our supply chain, powered by automation, AI, and robotics, is designed to deliver reliability at any scale. Dear shareholders, Reliance Retail is not just participating in India's consumption boom. We are propelling it. And we are doing so with the discipline and confidence that comes from funding growth through strong internal cash flows. This is why 20% plus CAGR is not just achievable, it is a target we're going to surpass. We have the market, we have the model, we have the means, and most importantly, we have the mindset to make it happen. With your trust and support, we will continue to fuel India's retail story and light the way to a brighter, more prosperous future for all our stakeholders. Dear shareholders, let me now turn to one of our most promising growth engines, our consumer products business. Reliance Consumer Products Limited is set to become a direct subsidiary of Reliance Industries. This will consolidate our consumer brands into a single, sharply focused company. Let me explain the benefits of this decision. First, India's consumer market is a $2 trillion high-growth opportunity, expanding at over 8% annually. We need a strategic approach to seize this opportunity. Second, our 350 million middle-class households have a combined purchasing power exceeding 100 lakh crores. They represent 600 million digitally native and increasingly brand-conscious consumers who seek premium experiences at affordable prices. Third, for the first time in India's history, rural markets consisting of 900 million consumers are driving 65% of FMCG growth. They are adopting global quality branded products faster than urban markets, with penetration growing at 35% annually. This combination of a rising middle class and accelerating rural adoption marks an unmissable consumption opportunity. Fourth, RCPL is not just observing this transformation, we are shaping it by becoming a manufacturing company to deliver global quality products at Indian prices. RCPL as a separate company will give this business the independence to focus exclusively on its markets, products, and customers without competing for management bandwidth. It will provide the agility to respond quickly to changing consumer trends and competitive dynamics. It will also allow us to attract the best talent in the industry, offering them a clear mandate and an exciting growth platform. This structure will enable sharper execution, faster innovation cycles, and deeper operational focus, all critical to winning in consumer markets. Our performance already speaks volumes about our ability to capture this opportunity. In just 3 years, RCPL has achieved what took other companies decades. Last year alone, we had revenues of 11,500 crores, making us the fastest growing FMCG player in India. Campa Cola now holds double-digit market share across many states, breaking a 30-year MNC duopoly. Campa Energy gained 2 million social media followers in just 90 days, faster than established brands with decades of presence. Our daily essentials brand, Independence, has crossed 1,000 crore in revenue. We started in India, have entered West Asia, Sri Lanka and Nepal, and are now also exporting to West Africa. Our target is to enter at least 25 countries in the next 12 months, building an Indian consumer brands powerhouse with global reach. We believe that Brand India will shine bright globally when Indian consumers and tech brands conquer the global markets. Our competitive strength rests on 4 pillars. The first is deep tech innovation. We have established a 150,000 square foot R&D hub with over 100 scientists and 15 patents filed. Its mandate is clear: better than market quality, first to India products, and first to world innovations. The second is manufacturing scale. We have invested 3,000 crores in 12 state-of-the-art facilities equipped with Industry 4.0 technologies, achieving the highest efficiency rates in Indian FMCG. Over the next 3 years, we will invest 40,000 crores to create Asia's largest integrated food parks with AI-driven automation, robotics, and sustainable technologies, securing lasting cost leadership. The third is distribution reach. In just 18 months, we have reached 1.5 million outlets, 5 times faster than any competitor in Indian FMCG history. Our omni-channel network will cover 95% of India's population through retail, digital, and B2B channels. Our signature partner program offers higher retailer margins, enrolling over 10,000 new partners every month. Our integrated marketing across cricket, entertainment, and digital platforms reaches 800 million Indians, creating matchless brand visibility. And fourth, at the heart of this is our people. We're attracting the best talent across categories and functions. They are building brands that consumers love and trust. And this is only just the beginning. This FMCG raw revenue within 5 years. Our long-term ambition is to become India's largest FMCG company with a global presence. This will make RCPL a big new value-creating engine for Reliance Industries, comparing it to a retail business in both size and profitability. Thank you. I now invite our chairman back onto the stage.